Hello guys, this is Keyapp YouTube channel, and today we will discuss really important issue. We will discuss how to make a Google Play application to get into the index for the keywords. First of all, it is possible to say that nowadays the issues with Google Apps indexation observed, and we see that there are really problems, and all these problems started with the update of Google Play algorithm, and globally this was noticed already in September 2023. And the main issues are that new apps are hard to make indexed, as well as App Store optimization and Google Ads installs do not help the same way as they helped previously. So we remember that the main ways to make the application indexed for the keywords is, of course, App Store optimization, because qualitative text metadata should help to generate indexed keywords for your application. Of course, we remember as well about Google Ads when we add some paid traffic to the application to start the indexation process. Also, we should remember about the promotion of core keywords. For example, when you would like to make your application to be indexed for the keyword loan, but you do not have this keyword into rank, and you promote the keywords connected, like loan application for free, loan app for free, and so on. And the main tool we will discuss today is adding the installs for the keywords for which your application is not indexed. We have the technology which can do this, and actually we can help Google to understand that your application is indexed for the particular keyword, and in such a way your application appeared into the top 250 for this search request. And let's check some examples. You may see that the installs were added to the application for the particular keyword, while the application wasn't indexed for this search request at all. So we mean that the application wasn't visible in top 250 for the search request. And we see that in one day, the application started to be visible and even occupied top 1 position. Of course, we may say that not in all the cases you will get the same result, and not in all the cases this result will be observed really fast. Usually it may take from several days to couple of weeks to make the application indexed using this technology. The next example, the same strategy. The installs are added to the keyword, which is not indexed, but we say that within the time the application started to be visible at the end of the search list and then appears in top 1. And a kind of similar example, the application started to be indexed at low position, and then we already say that the application started to occupy top position. Of course, we may see that such promotion not a fast one. In some cases, your application will be indexed within several days, but in some cases, as we mentioned previously, it will be needed to wait a couple of weeks until the application appears in top 250. And a strategy how to set some campaign. In general, we do not take any additional payments for such campaigns at our platform. So as you set the campaigns for the indexed keywords, the same way you may set the campaign for unindexed keywords, but of course it is better to contact your personal manager or support team so to be able to start this campaign and to index your application. But a little bit about the strategy for your understanding that you do not need to spend huge volumes of installs and so on. Of course, it is better to proceed with longer campaigns for 7-10 days, so to show Google that the application get the installs on a permanent basis, and in such a way Google search algorithm starts to understand that the application should be indexed. Also, it is better to proceed with several keywords simultaneously, especially if these keywords are connected and have the common core element like loan, loan app, loan for free, loan online, and so on. And about the volumes, it is not needed to use hundreds of downloads. It is enough to work with 5, 10, 15, 20 installs daily just to show Google that the application should be indexed. Actually, the same when you work with low positions, you do not add huge volumes of installs, so to show Google that the promotion is natural. And Let's check how to set this type of campaign for keywords indexation at Keyapp platform. So as we mentioned previously, we do not take any additional payments for this type of service, and you can set such campaigns just in your account at your price per install. So you do not need to go to any other sections. You just go to add campaign section, to the application you would like to work with, to the country. This service and this possibility to make the keywords indexed is available for all the countries we have on the platform. And as we mentioned, usually we set the campaigns for 7-10 days in such cases, so to show Google that the installs are regular. And in perfect world, when we work with keywords promotion, of course, we work with some indexed keywords like this one, when we see the rank and we just add the installs to be able to increase the positions to top. But in this case, when we would like to increase the positions to top 250, so to make the application ranked, we work with some out keywords. So when you choose the keywords, you will see that the rank is out, and actually your application is not visible for this search request in the country you work with. So as we remember, we do not work with high volumes. In such cases, we just set from 10 to 20 installs. And in such a case, we show Google Play that the application should be indexed. Anyway, if you still have some additional questions, or you would like to test this possibility on your application, so to make the application visible in the search list and then be able to promote the positions to top, contact our support team or your personal manager. We will assist and we will tell you how to do this better for your application, so to make it indexed and then to help it to get top positions in the search.